Alright, now it's coming down good. This guy in front of me don't know what to do. He's confused. He must be getting paid by the minute, not the mile. So yeah. Oh yeah. Man, dude, what's going on up here?
Everybody's stopping, dude. There's one guy. Here.
I'm making Gabe nervous. He's gonna cameraman.
One guy up here.
Oh, I think we're opening up, man. We got the passing lane.
Can we get a video of us hydroplaning?
Yeah, out of control. Go distracted, Bob.
Oh yeah.
Just coming down, brother. Free car wash in Florida today.
Actually, you can see better through the video than you can through the windshield.
I know, isn't that crazy?
I can't even see that Jeep
You can see the back of that car? You can see the back of that car through that, huh?
Kind of see it in the video.
I can't see a thing and I'm driving. Bad. You can't even hear the bad wheel bearing now.
That's what the music's for. It goes from wham 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 to, you know, Bon Jovi.
No music on YouTube, man. I don't like that. Copyright.
What if I'm singing? Oh, there's a big puddle up here, big puddle.
Dude, this guy hydroplaned out of control.
Oh, shit!
Good times, baby. Should have brought the boat.
We need a jet ski in about 5 minutes.
Wow, dude, I think it's gonna be underwater here if it keeps raining like this. So yeah, only me and Gaten would go to the junkyard on a day like today. But
we were hiding out in the Windstar for a little while.
yeah, we got a GPS unit.
Oh yeah.
Forgot about that crap.
We found this in the Windstar.
Little GPS tracking device.
It plugs in line with the PCM there.
We looked it up, or Gaten did.
It's got a SIM card in the bottom of it. They use cell towers and track you on the GPS, find out where you took the car. Like rental companies or, you know, buy here, pay here kind of lots. There you go. It just plugs in line. Kind of cool.
Look at the rain coming down. I might have never seen it quite so heavy like this. Oh my God.
You forgot to say crikey.
Crikey, look at the rain. There's going to be gators everywhere, eh? You'll be swimming in the median before you know it.
You wouldn't know if you hit a gator out here, dude.
Oh my, look at the rain. Holy moly, oh, it's got us out of control.
Nobody behind us.
Oh, good God.
Is this waterproof?
No. You can stick it out the window.
Should have brought the GoPro. That's waterproof.
Yeah, we could have mounted it on the hood.
All right.
Well,
Let's see when we hydroplane. We'll take another video.